Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to get a bank letter from Bank of America in 2025. If you're dealing with loans, visas, or just need official proof of your accounts, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a bank letter? It's an official document from your bank that verifies details like your account balance, transaction history, or even your identity. From Bank of America, this can be a game changer for financial applications. Step 1. Make sure you're a Bank of America customer with online access. If not, sign up for their app or website. It's straightforward and secure. Once logged in, head to the Customer Service or Help section. Look for options like Requests or Documents. Here, you might find a direct way to request a bank letter. If it's not available online, don't worry. Bank of America offers multiple channels. Step 2. Use the chat feature in the app for quick assistance. A representative can guide you through the process and even initiate the letter request on your behalf. You'll need to provide specifics, like what information you want included, such as your account number or current balance. Step 3. If online methods fail, visit a local branch. In 2025, branches are still a reliable option, especially for personalized service. Bring your ID, like a driver's license or passport, and any relevant account details. The teller will help you fill out the necessary forms, and processing usually takes 1 to 3 business days. A few tips to keep in mind. Always double-check for any fees. Bank of America might charge a small amount for this service. Also, ensure your account is in good standing to avoid delays. And remember, with advancements in 2025, you can often get digital versions for faster delivery. There you have it. Getting a bank letter from Bank of America is easier than you think. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.